Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days here on my channel where I'm sharing 31 days of videos all month long. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to share with you guys how I am packaging up my Patreon Happy Mail packages. There is a level in my Patreon Crafty Club where you can receive a box of Happy Mail from me every single month. It usually contains something that I've made here on the channel, so some of this might look familiar. Some of the things I have not shown here on the channel because they are extra just for my Crafty Club members. So if you're interested in signing up for the Happy Mail level or any of the levels over in the Crafty Club, I will leave the link down below. But since Creepy Crafty Days and Halloween is one of my favorite times of year to get creative, I thought you guys might like to see the creative things I put together for my Happy Mail peeps, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. This is just one of the packages, and at the end of the video, I'll kind of give you guys an overview of all of them so far. So the first thing I'm including is this little cauldron with some little candies. These do differ from box to box, but thought this would be fun to include, especially since the green looks like it's like little witchy bubbles. I'm also including this little baggie, which I have some fun stuff in here too. So there's a sheet of stickers from my stash, little tarot card guy from my stash, a few little tags, a couple of big die cuts, which are fun. This little wooden piece says trick or treat, and then some of my favorite glittery spiders. So all of these will go in here. And I do have some holes punched here because I'm going to use some baker's twine to close this up and to help make sure that things do not slide around in the mail. So that will look like that. I also created this little bag. So there's a pocket here at the front and a pocket here in the back. And then this will actually slide here in the front. And then in the back, I'm including this sheet of stickers from my stash and these purple glittery bats, because I think she will enjoy those. Just slide in there. I will also be including the Patreon only postcard. So if you remember the Happy Mail level, you also get the postcard. So I'm just going to slide this in here, send it all together because it's easier that way. I will also be including in the packages one of these little wraparound guys that has a little hot cocoa. And I thought the cherry cordial might be kind of a fun spooky color. So if you're one of the Happy Mail people, let me know how this one tastes, and two, if it makes a fun color of cocoa. I'm really curious. So I just packaged this up kind of cutely just to kind of make it a little bit more creepy crafty. I'll also be including a glittery pumpkin pick because these are fun, why not, as well as some little straws from my stash that maybe they can use to sip up some creepy crafty drinks or make wands out of or something. I'm also going to be including some candy because I think it's always fun to include treats in your Happy Mail. And then lastly, I have this little cup that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to fill this up with some fun little goodies. So I'm including one of these little sequin mix boxes. I do have a video on this, which I will link down below for you guys, so they can create their own little sequin mix. There's also some little spoons in there, which is really fun. So this just fits perfectly in there. I also made a bunch of mini pocket letters this month. I do not have videos on these. I was just kind of making them when Serena was here. We had like a little crafty time. So I made this and I put some little goodies in the back. So there's some little foam stickers, some jemmies, and then one of my zines. I think this is super cute. So this fits right in here as well, which is amazing. I also made a couple of little glitter tubes. So there's some purple and some orange. And I thought these would be fun to share since I have a ton of glitter. Might as well share some of it. So those fit right in there too. And then who doesn't love washi tape? So this one's been in my stash for a little while. I've never used it and I thought my pen pal would really like it. So I'm just going to include that in there too. To keep all this from falling out in the mail, I found these really cool bags at Joann. I like how there's a little window in it. And these little cups fit in here pretty darn perfectly. So I'm just going to put this in here, all the way down there. Add a little bit of crinklies. Just to kind of help fill it up, keep things from moving around a lot. And I'm going to fold it over, and then similar to how I did this situation, I'm gonna do the same on this little baggie. So it's a really easy technique. You just fold over a bag and then you just punch some holes in it. Grab your baker's twine and then string it through and tie a bow. So there is that. And then I'm going to put all this in a box. So let me move some of this. So I've got this box right here. A few little crinklies in there, a few little purples. I'm going to make a little bit of space on the bottom for this bag so it can be in there a little bit more. I'm going to pop this little guy up here in the corner. These little dudes in there. This little guy. And then this little pumpkin dude. I can find a place for him. Right there looks good. And then this will fit right in there on top, and then I will put some more crinklies on the top. So here you can see some of the packages that I will be mailing out to the Happy Mail level members of the Crafty Club. If you are interested in joining the Crafty Club, I will leave a link to it down below for you guys to sign up. If there are no spots available, you can always send me an email to popfizzpaper@gmail.com so that I know that I need to offer more spots, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!